everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. This is just a project share, not a tutorial, because I did not design this album. I purchased a kit, a December Daily 2024 kit from Country Craft Creations. I will say right away, the kits are no longer available, but some of this collection, which is Simple Stories, Vintage Santa, and the elements, some of the elements are still available at the store at Country Craft Creations. So you could pick some of it up. I use the 12 by 12. And follow Tamara, owner of Country Craft Creations. Follow her tutorial videos that are on the Country Craft Creations YouTube channel. So I will link the store link to this paper collection, and then I will link her playlist that's here on YouTube that you could follow along. You don't get a cut list because that only comes with the kit, but she gives the measurements in her videos, so you could jot those down and cut them out. It is a beautiful, beautiful album. I've been working on it ever since she started her tutorial series, which is all done now and has been done for several weeks. A little bit here and there. I kept it on my dining room table and just kind of did some of it as watching TV. So I did mine a little bit different than hers with the finishing. This construction, of course, is totally her design, and I did use some of her paper and decorative ideas. But I'm going to show you this on how you can, change them up and make them your own. So look at hers, and then take a peek at the tutorials. And then last year, she does this every year after Christmas, like in January or February, whenever that. So as soon as she puts the kits out for sale, you should buy it, because this was so popular that she sold out on the first kit, which I was lucky enough to get. And I think she sold out of the second kit because some of the papers or elements sold out on this, and she couldn't get them from Simple Stories anymore. And then she had to do a third kit with a whole different collection. So it's something you want to know about. The best way is to, that time of the year, check out the store at countrycraftcreations.com, or the real best way is to check on Facebook on Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations group. That's a private group. If you're not a member, you can join. If you're on Facebook, go to the group Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations, request to join. Then you have to answer 3 questions. Very important. If you don't answer the questions, you won't be approved. It's just that simple. She has to keep out the riffraff and the spammers and the troublemakers and all that. It's a private group. We want it to be a happy place. We want to be a place where you can see the product and the kits and the tutorials and what everybody makes. So she has some rules that you have to follow. It's the group is for her store, for products sold in her store, and tutorials taught by her and her designers, which I am one of those. So anyway, if you want to get on it next year, I suggest you do that. Or you can make this out of any paper collection if you can't get all of this or you want something different. That's what I did last year. I used a totally different paper collection and made mine following her tutorial. So let's take a quick peek at this. I just kind of used different things like the foam stickers and chipboard pieces and the things that came in the kit. I did add in this beautiful red glitter paper that's available at Country Craft Creations. It doesn't shed. I absolutely love that. So I added that as a mat to really make it pop. You get I got the doily in the kit and everything. So but you can add things from your stash to this to make it look the way you want it. I did mine a little different because I didn't follow the tutorial really well. This string was supposed to be a tree shape, and I didn't do that. I messed up on everything. So I tied this tag on it, the bells, and then put some of the tags that came with the elements. And then on the back, I kind of did a piecing of different paper scraps that I had. And you'll notice the red spatter. This is paint. I did spattering on mine with white paint. Did I say red paint? It's white paint, of course, on the red. I love the look of the spattered look. So I did it on the front and the back, and I did it throughout the album. So this is a nice sized album. My ruler is here. I think it's a 9. Yeah, 9 by 9. Beautiful size album for your photos and things, journaling for December daily. You could do it daily or weekly, whichever you want to do. I'm not adding numbers into mine, but you can add numbers in for each day if you wanted to. So it does not have a tie closure. It didn't need that. So you open it up. Whoops. And on the inside cover, have this pocket that I decorated up. I'm not going to pull out all my tags and stuff. I used a lot of the cut aparts and the leftover papers to make tags to go in mine. So the papers I chose may be different than what Tammy used in hers. And that's the beauty of a kit. You get the full paper collection. It's not pre-cut, so you can customize it to what you like. So here, this is just one of the chipboards glued on with a sticker. It says Jolly and Christmas. I love that paper. Then this opens up to a fun pop-up element that she designed. And you flip this up for journaling or photos. Of course, photos can go here and here. And then this opens back. And this is fun. This is a magnetic Christmas tree that holds the flaps down. I pieced mine for decorating and added the snowflakes and the star. These are all foam stickers. Covered the back, that covered the magnet. Of course, I did the paint spattering. And then here, this flips open, so you have places for photos like this. Isn't that fun? And then this opens up. And again, you can make one of your own on her free tutorial that you can find on her YouTube channel. Under playlist, you have to go to Country Craft Creations YouTube channel. Under playlist, you're going to find the videos where you can do this. She gives the measurements in the video, not a cut list. So it's all free. You can still make this if you like it. This one has a pocket up here, so I have tags in here. I put a chipboard Santa on the Jingle Bells music note, and then this lifts up and has, it's so big I can't hardly show it, has this fun pop-up element and then a place for a photo here. Love this paper collection. I'm so glad that I ordered the kit right away so that I got all the stuff for this. So here's this beautiful Santa here on this flap. Again, I added the paint spatters with some stickers. This opens up. We have photo mat. We have a pocket that I added in. I don't know if that's originally on hers. It's just a scrap of paper, and from leftover cardstock we made booklets like this. Oops, sorry, the black kind of goes nuts on my camera. Sorry about that. And then this flips open, and we have more. Now I took leftover papers and made like a little tag book here with that. Thought that would be fun for photos like that. Just tied them together, punched a hole and tied them together. This is some of the elements that went with the collection, and then you just pop them into this pocket here. Sorry. This one is held closed with a ribbon, and it lifts up like this, and then like that. So like this and like that. Lots of fun. Spattering on the front. And I'll tie it up because I don't want to leave anything loose in here, because it's going to go on the shelf ready for if I ever get around to printing up pictures and putting them in. But I love looking at the book with just the pretty paper. So this has an accordion type pocket on it, so it has lots of the tag booklets. And I did mine different. I put a part of a chipboard back here that I cut down and just made that look like it's sticking out. But then I have booklets behind it. And then this opens this way. And then we have this pieced area here, like that. And here we have a double pocket, and this is where I added in some more of that beautiful glitter. I just put a piece of it on top of a booklet, which tucks in there. So these pockets, all these little elements come out of these double pockets, and then that holds the flap down, and then inside is another pocket with booklets that I tucked inside. So these just like keep it like that. Holds it all in. Just lots of fun areas for tuck spot. And again, you'll see the paint spatters that I did. Okay, here we have another foam, foam sticker with Santa. We wish you a Merry Christmas. This lifts up, gives us a pocket here on the side. Big area for a large photo if you want. And then this one, oops, I need to glue that one down. It kind of got bent up. Foam stickers, ho, 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 holiday. And this, love this vintage image. So I said 12 by 12, but I also in the kit had the 8 by 8. So if it's still available and you want to do it kind of like this or kind of like Tammy did, if the 8x8 is still available, grab a pad of 8x8 and a 12x12 to make this. So in here we have the pocket here, and then this opens up like that, and that is, I think, held with a magnet. And then I have a little tuck spot here on this main one here. Do not open till Christmas, and that closes up. And then here we have another set of tags booklet that is holding this flap shut. So this is another little pop-up area here for a fun photo and a pocket like that. And then on the inside cover, we have this fun slider that she did, shows you how to do in the tutorial, that opens like this. And then it slides, let's see, it slides off. It opens like this. Some spatters in there. And then I designed this piece in here like this with the elements. I just love how it looks. You can put photos in there, of course. I don't know if I will, but I just love the way it looks and the way you can slide it and the very vintage look of this. And again, there's the back. So that is my December daily that I made following a tutorial by Tamara of Country Craft Creations. The tutorials are free. They're on her YouTube channel. Some of the paper is still in the store, but the kits are all sold out. So anyway, that's something that I just personally finished up on my own over the course of the last couple of months or so, whatever, how long it took me to make, because I didn't work on it continuously all the time, but I had so much fun with this. So thanks everybody for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell so you'll be notified when I do have another project to share or tutorial. I plan to be doing some destashing of some of my finished projects from several years back. I've been cleaning in my craft room, and I found a couple of totes of things that I don't have room for on my shelf, and so I thought, well, maybe I can put some in an Etsy shop. So we'll see how that goes. I'll do a video here. So be sure to subscribe, and as always, check out countrycraftcreations.com. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.